Hey, what's up, Strategy here, and today I'm recording part 4, I think. Part 4 of Final Fantasy, Lightning Returns, Final Fantasy 30, Final Fantasy 13 Lightning Returns, for Xbox 360. So, today we're going to continue where we left off. We left off, we just see 2 souls, and you can add that to our Arcadia, that's what it was called. We'll give our part to Electro. So yeah, let's talk to the Inquisitor, if I remember correctly. Talk to the Inquisitor, tell him what I saw, and this should end the investigation. Nope, I don't want to talk to you. I want to talk to the Inquisitor. Shut your trap. Bring that over.
Thank you for your help earlier. Interesting. I had been putting together a picture of the plot, but I was still missing important pieces. Not anymore. Thanks to your information, we'll have to keep the blockade. If you find new...
You should head to areas with lots of foot traffic.
In recent days, the Etro fanatics, those unspeakable heretics, they're a sinister bunch. I just it went something now. Could there be a connection? I wonder if I should tell the...
Oh, I know why they're sacrificing women. I know why they're sacrificing women.
So these heretics, they believe in the goddess, right? Are they all bad people, or just some of them? Those heretics are always hanging around. They're easy to spot. They wear white clothes and huddle together, muttering stuff about aura. You know, they always stare at any women that go by. Do you think they're picking out their next sacrifice? Pretty scary. I'm scared.
Don't be scared, little child. I'll protect you.
Witness statement. I'm pretty sure the Inquisitor can use the information.
Back away. Fear me.
You should cooperate with the investigation. They're bound to open up other areas if they can make progress in the case.
Where is the Inquisitor?
Yes. That is very interesting indeed. We've been... The only...
You should gather information and relay it to the Inquisitors. Once they have a good lead, they might be willing to lift the roadblocks.
If you find new...
You should head to areas with lots of foot
I
traffic.
don't remember this being this
Try to look at the station.
Oh, I know where to go, I know where to go, I know where to go, I know where to go. If we gotta tell this guy.
The evil savior will die. I'd heard of the Shadow Hunter once before, from a guest that was... The same guest told me he's the head of that. But I don't know who he really... At any rate, it's hardly surprising. But is this man they call the...
Alright, so these people with the white clothes...
So the culprits are the children of Metro? But what's their objective? What could they be after?
Alright, so I understand.
Find out. Once the gates are open, they'll try tailing them.
Let me speak. Oh my god,
It'll be the
Lightning,
easiest
shut up.
way to find their hideout. I'll
Lightning.
talk to the Inquisitors.
Lightning, shut up.
Hopefully get these gates open.
Shut up. Alright, thank you, Lightning. So pretty much they want to hunt me down, right? They want to hunt me down, and they're looking for girls that has my Lightning's hair color. And since her hair is pink, that's why they killed the girl that looked like Lightning. They thought that was Lightning, but that really wasn't. So that's why sacrificing girls. They're trying to get my attention so they can then... What? Got a new ability. Chrono status. It locks. Freezes time.
Lightning.
If you know anything about...
The goddess's disciples are...
Suggesting that we've managed to find...
Let me guess.
You have your own in recent weeks. The poor, clearly they're despair. If only they would open their eyes, embrace God, and they could bathe, can't they? The irony of it all is that, although...
Oh. That's complete. So we get this guy's soul, I'm pretty sure. 8 max health plus 80, strength plus 6, magic plus 6. And then we get this guy's soul, but we can't see because of that camera. There's shelves not open, but we don't need anything so we have max potions. So let me try to remember what we do now. Okay, they lift up blockades. So go exploring pretty much and come back.
Light, I'm detecting monsters. Move carefully through this area.
I know there's a monster, I think there's one all the way down this hall. Oh, not this.
Welcome. Are you looking for? See you soon.
I am good. These guys forge stuff for me.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Blessed be, friend.
This one I actually know what to do here.
Thank you for your interest.
I must not did a technique right. Oh. If you do the tutorial, I'll give you 2 attack things.
Sorry, I'm out of where.
What? I hit it. I couldn't hit it. Oh. I just hit it. You can't. Oh, I forgot. I was going to show you guys the other thing. This weird lady right here keeps saying now. She's not saying it now. We'll just explore this place a bit. Right about now. So let's run all the way back and hope that the people with the white coats are there. I'm trying to hurry back there, but right now has terrible stuff. I think I have bad vision. We'll try to finish it off for this class. And this is this lightning's pose. Yeah, that's lightning's pose. Now let's run. And like closing. Move the blockades, but don't see it now. Oh, this video. Always 7 minutes so far. Not bad time I'm making. Anything here? I'm trying to remember. I don't know at what time those little guys with the coats come down. I'm pretty sure there's a quest. Let me check my quest actually. I already forgot what to do. Main quest. At midnight. At midnight. What do we mean midnight? I'm pretty sure that'll appear right about now. Like that? Alright.
Where do you think a group of people are likely to gather unnoticed? The station plaza, perhaps?
Oh, that's what they are. They're here.
Be
See those people in the white coats? That's them.
discreet and
You got this one from live or something. Get off the headset. Pretty much you have to stay in the shadows and stalk them, not stalk them, but like watch where they go. Like there's some Batman Arkham Asylum or Arkham City or Arkham Knight or Arkham Origins. Let's see.
the evil savior will die at the hands of the Shadow Hunter? I sure don't like the sound of that. When they say savior, do you think?
It's me, alright? It has to be. But who's the Shadow Hunter?
I don't know. Right now, no one else does either. The information's incomplete at best. But the Order thinks he could be the leader of the heretics.
So if the Shadow Hunter leads the cult, does that mean he's also behind the murders?
The heretics are on the move. You need to follow them discreetly and figure out where they're headed.
played Batman Arkham games. I played Batman Arkham Asylum, Arkham City. I played Origins Unite. So, and I know how to be stealthy. I think that's start running. Yeah, let's start running. I don't know how to do it. Let's start running.
Show that you are one of us. In the forest of darkness, chaos holds sway. To the goddess of death, these numbers I say 7891.